Greetings, students and teachers. Right now, I'd like to talk to you about a new series by Dargwan. The name of the series is The TEPS Junior. The book I'd like to talk about right now is called The TEPS Junior Listening Basic Book. Now, as you can tell by the title, this book is for the study of TEPS, and it's a junior book. So the level of English is a little bit easier than you'll find in most normal textbooks. Now, this book has 4 main parts. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4. Each part matches with one of the 4 parts that appear on the TEPS listening section. Also, we have 2 actual tests that appear at the end of the book. Let's take a look at Part 1. Now, Part 1, again, each TEPS section has, the TEPS listening section has 4 different parts. Part 1, for example, has 2-line conversations. So, in each section, well, what we've done is we've divided each part, or Part 1, into 6 different sections that depend on the type of conversation that people have. Example, number 1 is greetings and regards. Or let's go back and take a look. We have greetings and regards, congratulations and appreciation, apologies and consolations, suggestions and requests, asking another's opinion, and collecting information. And each of these 4 parts has different topics depending on the type of question or the subject matter that appears in each part. Now, let's go back to Part 1. There's a short explanation about each section, and then we have 2 sample conversations along with explanations of why this is the correct answer, what makes A, B, C, or D correct. Also, something very important is at the bottom, on each page, we have words and expressions. We have important words, their definitions, and a short sentence that uses the word. Now, Part 2, the next page, we have the basic drill section. You can see here there are 10 short conversations with blanks to fill in. The students listen to the CD, they hear the words, they fill in the blanks to complete the conversations. The next page, we have basic drill B. This has 2 conversations, and the students should listen to every answer choice and decide, is it natural or unnatural? So here, there could be 2 correct answers or even 3 correct answers. Finally, we have the real practice section. In this case, there are 1, 2, 3 conversations. As you can see, there are many blanks. So the students listen to the CD, they write down the words they hear, then they can answer the questions. And each part, again, you see congratulations and appreciation, apologies and consolations, suggestions and requests, asking another's opinion, and collecting information. Now, at the end of this part, well, we have the intensive training section. This will be similar to a regular TEPS test. In this case, there are 15, just like on the TEPS, 15 conversations where the students must listen, write the correct words, and then choose the correct answer. Finally, there's a vocabulary review using words from the chapter, from the part. There are a total of 20 sentences that use all the words and the answer choices appear in each part. And that's what one part looks like. And again, we have Part 1. Part 2 has 4-line conversations. Part 3, let me find it. Part 3 has the long conversations, 5 lines or 6 lines. And finally, part 4 has the long monologues. So each chapter focuses on a different part of the test. And finally, at the very end of the test, end of the book, we have the 2 actual tests that are identical to the listening section on the TEPS. And that's what the TEPS Junior Listening Basic Book looks like. Thank you very much.